The golden hour marks the peak of the harvest. A steady convoy of trucks delivers the fresh sugarcane to the processing facility.
The macro lens reveals the intricate relationship between the sugarcane fibers and the rich, wet soil essential for its growth.
Washing is a critical first step. Huge rotating drums churn the fresh sugarcane as powerful jets of water remove dirt and debris.
The harvester's crushing rollers tear through the sugarcane stalks, separating the fibers from the sugar-rich pulp in seconds. The rollers exert immense pressure, squeezing out the last remaining moisture from the fiber before it is transported away. As the heavy rollers engage, the sugarcane bagasse is lifted and crushed, releasing the raw juice which flows rapidly along the conveyor system. The clarified juice flows smoothly away from the heavy sediment, a crucial step in achieving the desired purity. As the pressure drops, the boiling point is lowered significantly, causing the thick liquid to boil aggressively at a reduced temperature.
This controlled discharge releases the crystallized mass from the vacuum pan, readying it for the next stage of purification.
Millions of crystals tumble downwards as intensely hot air ensures the drying process is completed rapidly. In this macro view, we witness the critical drying phase. The crystals separate by size and density as the last traces of moisture evaporate.
The precision of the automated systems allows for continuous operation. Pallets are stacked in perfect rows, 24 hours a day. Here, the raw materials are transferred to the towering silos for storage before the next phase of production.
From the raw power of the machinery, we transition to the refined product, a continuous flow of high-quality material ready for the global market. Billions of crystals flow through this facility every day, each one a perfect, shimmering structure of pure sucrose.